One day, there'll be a new dawn. The first day that cancer is no longer a death sentence. The first day that a broad spectrum of integrated treatments exist to improve both the quantity and quality of life for people given a cancer diagnosis. For the past 25 years, Gateway has helped make that day closer than ever. During that time, Gateway for Cancer Research has funded over 140 clinical trials involving more than 3,000 patients. It's a worldwide initiative, a broad spectrum of integrated and innovative approaches. Gateway uniquely funds not just one hospital nor one clinical approach, but dozens simultaneously in medical facilities of every affiliation throughout the world. And Gateway's operating efficiency results in 99 cents of every dollar going directly to clinical trials, medical studies that will open new doors and usher in a new day in the treatment of cancer throughout the world.